Hi everyone, today I am super excited to take part in the Alex Syberia Designs YouTube hop. So I am going to just quickly show you some of the things that I've got, and then we are going to get creating. So first off, we have the whimsical scalloped frames, and I mean, I think that name says it all. So cute and adorable. There's 7 dies in this set as well, so you can cut out and like layer so many bits and pieces here. Incredible. Next up we have mermaid kitties. Oh, look how cute they are. Oh, and there's some cute little like stamp sets, like sentiments like make a splash, you're mermazing, have a splash-tastic day, and there is a die cuts for this as well, so including the sentiments, which I love that. I am obsessed with that. So next up we have Summer Chill, and I feel like I am that one because I am loving watermelon at the moment. I'm just eating so much of it and I love it. And I want to be this one, like floating about in a little pool and, you know, just having a good time. Oh, so adorable. I mean, look at these. Just floating by to say hi. Oh, okay. I'm slayed. Next we have Sweet Treats. And, oh, again, I mean, look at some of these cuties. Absolutely adorable. Look at it. Oh my God, look at the kitties. Yeah, incredible. Sweet Treats for sure, both on paper and off paper. Next we have Peony Corners, and I don't even have words. I am loving this. So with this set, you get the stamp set and the sentiment. You also get layering stencils for adding color to your flowers. So you can color, you know, with whatever you want to color with, or you can use a layering stencils if you're in a hurry. And then there is also die cuts. And again, with the sentiments as well, which chef's kiss, chef's kiss. So next we have Clouds and Waves Builder. This is a stencil, so you can create like waves and clouds to create like a little beachside scene for your little cuties that are at the beach. And then we have Glistening Water stencil. This one is so fun. Look at that. Oh, imagine this with like glitter paste on top, so it like really glitters, like the sun is hitting it all over. So many cute ideas. And then we have sun rays. So yeah, I mean, I think this one kind of like explains itself, doesn't it? Sun rays. And then we have whimsical dots, which again is so cute, and I'm loving that color combo. Ooh, very cute. Very cute indeed. Okay, so this is the release. Now, I had planned on actually doing a like a making video as well, but we're just gonna, this is just an unboxing video today. There will be a Instagram hop later on this week, and then there will also be a YouTube hop on the 12th. And I probably will use these like mermaid cuties because, oh, look at that little mer kitten with her fishy. And I mean, those ones, the frames we're probably also going to use. But for now, this is the release. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you want to shop the release, there is an affiliate link down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.